future is electric. Imagine yourself being part of a 100% electric future that will be a key enabler for a sustainable world. Tata Technologies is at the forefront of this mobility transformation to deliver high-performance next-gen products for evolving customers. Join the fast-growing tribe of global innovators driving this transformation. Collaborate with innovators who demonstrate a can-do attitude every day. Learn from the engineers who innovated with a leading OEM to develop an electric vehicle with one of the lowest lightweight index. Work with us in engineering electric experiences. Innovate across various electric vehicle projects around full vehicle design, body engineering, vehicle integration, electrical and battery management systems. Come join us in engineering a better world.